والله حياتنا أحسن حياة كانت هنا، وأنا زي ما تعصي قلب أموت بطيب هو. هاي الحياة إحنا عايشين كنا بأحسن نعمة، وجينا هاي الحياة اللي بدنا.
Thousands of Syrian refugees are bracing for another brutal winter, and they're getting a first taste.
This area has been blanketed with snow, with severe winter blizzards bringing temperatures to as low as -7 degrees centigrade. The refugees are trapped in their makeshift tents.
By God, from the snow and ice. The snow comes here, and we are afraid the rain will come into the house. My God, a lot of snow. Last year, it reached more than half a meter here.
It was acceptable to a certain degree. They were able to deal with it, but they weren't expecting the harshness of the weather in terms of how to heat themselves. They have a lot of very young children and elderly people.
We didn't come here for pleasure. We're suffering. Our house was destroyed. We lost everything. We're not living in this tent for fun. We had our own house. We had our own car, our own tractor.
Winter in a Syrian refugee camp can be very harsh and include prolonged periods of snow and temperatures below zero. Out of the 40 million refugees who are estimated to be internally displaced, many have left without adequate clothing and have to stay in makeshift shelters, which leaves them extremely vulnerable to rain, snow and freezing temperatures.
This family's tent collapsed over them from the weight of the snow piling above. The winter has made these refugees more vulnerable than before and more in need of aid than ever.
Look how bad it is here. The children are suffering. We don't have any fuel to keep them warm. There are those who are cold and there are those who are dying from the cold.
Task Force Green Lane Mashhad is planning to support around 25 complete camps by providing winter items such as coats, hats, gloves and scarves. Help us to keep them warm and keep them alive by donating generously to this project. Please donate now, links in the description of this video.